Yo, don't ever do that again. Don't ever fucking do that again. I'm on a fucking motorcycle. Don't get that close. Don't ride like that. Don't drive like that. You're a fucking piece of shit. Fuck you. Think I give a fuck about your Mercedes, motherfucker? Oh.